Hello, my name is Santhosh. I am from Thiruvananthapuram. This is my cs50X final project, and this video is being recorded on 15 January 2026 at 7:30 a.m. This project is a crypto tax and portfolio calculator. I created this tool because calculating crypto taxes in India is very difficult for many people. And my program helps users organize their trading history and see their tax obligation like 1% TDS and 30% profit tax automatically. Now let's start with the demo of my program. This is the home page of my program. You can see a login and a register button here, and you can also register from here. If you are an existing user, you can log in from here. I'm registering as a new user. Ready. Okay, after login, you need to upload a CSV file contain your cryptocurrency transactions. It could be a CSV file. I'm uploading this file, and then you have to click the button generate tax report. Here is my dashboard. Your name is visible here, and you can see how much you brought, how much you sold, and what are the profit you earn from the trade, and what are the tax. And you can see in this chart your total crypto balance. And here you can see a detailed report in what date you brought and what type you buy or sell, what are the volume you sold or brought, and what are the TDS you have to pay, and what are the tax, and you made a profit or loss. And in the last part, you can upload another CSV file. This is my whole program. Thank you for watching.